Just a quick video to show you the new OpenReach Fibre box. Now, I'd seen a lot of other fibre installations on the internet, and the boxes were massive. You know, you could open the front box and see inside it. So I was expecting a really large box to come along, and then the BT engineer comes out with this tiny little thing. There you go, these are my fingers, so you can see how big it is. It's not very big at all. If you want to see the scale of plugs above it, so that's about the size it was. So we're on BT Fibre now. Engineer came, he pulled the fibre from the street and then connected it up, spliced it, went through my garage and back out through the wall. Very tiny cable, I don't know if you can even see it, it's like an old phone cable. It's very thin, coming through on the green connector and then going up. Say he arrived at 11:30 a.m. and he's left about 2:30. Or was it 12:30 he came? I can't remember now. But anyway, it was about 2 and a bit hours. He said it was one of the easiest ones he's done. Obviously the ones above ground on the poles are difficult with ladders out. This one was fairly basic because we went from outside to inside the garage and back again. So now I've just got to swap everything over. Obviously pulled out the socket. We're staying on copper, I believe, because we are a house that is 20 years old. So I believe we're keeping the copper phone line, whereas if you're on a brand new build, you'll have fibre for your voice as well. But we're just going to keep our normal copper phone line, which is fine, because we don't use it much anyway. Okay, so that's it. Just wanted to show you that, just so you could see the new BT OpenReach box.